Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Negative number 1 we can change into negative number 3 plus 2. Because I want to create about this one, divide by this one in here. And you got about number 1. The integration of number 1 we have s. Now I will concentrate about this one. Now I need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u. This one we have u square in here because we have number 2. This one we change by du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about u equals to the square root of number 3 secant of t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have number 3 secant of t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have the square root of number 3 secant of t tan t dt. Because first derivative of secant of t, that is about this one. So I will put this one go in here and here. Du we change by this one. This one we have 3 secant of t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This. And now we need to simplify the square root of number 3 secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 2 and number 3 go outside. We know that 1 over tan t, that's about cotan t. About cotan t in here, that's about cosine t over sine t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of sine t. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide by the square root of number 3. And then we got about t equals to a secant of u over the square root of number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. And now we need to combine the answers. So we have s in here. The interaction of this one, that is about this one. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.